So this is the mini catalog. And I'll post it up there. But this ribbon is, it's really pretty. And I think it has like a gold shimmer in it. I didn't order that yet. I always say that yet because I didn't get everything. We have a new label set. You can see this cute stitching on that label set. I love the DSP too. So I can only show you the cover. So here's the front cover. Here's the back cover. This one's probably going to show you more of what's inside. But you can see we have lots of holiday stuff. A squirrel builder punch. So, okay, now I'll show you what I ordered. If you want to see it. All right, so what happens this month is demonstrators get to order early. And, well, there is 2 papers here. So demonstrators get to order a pre-order. So anything that I show you tonight will not be available until September 3rd. That's when the holiday catalog goes live for customers, and also the new online exclusive. So this particular product is in the holiday catalog. And just so you're aware, if you placed an order with me within the last few months, you will be getting a catalog in the mail. If you placed an order with me in the month of July, I'm hoping my catalogs are here. I'm putting the packets together right now for the tutorial in July, and so I'll pop a catalog in there. All right, so I'm just going to show you quickly. So this is the autumn trees, and I want to show you the size of this tree because it's so much bigger than what's shown there. Oh, you can't really see it on that. All right, so this is the box. This is the actual tree. It's huge. It's huge. I love it. And then it comes with a die set. This probably would show you. Oh, I guess I could have opened some of this beforehand. Comes with this great die set. But look at the size of that tree. So you get the outline of the tree, and then you get also another die to do the texture on the inside of the tree. Yeah, Joan, it's crazy. This was a good catalog, and good online exclusives. And then you have leaves so you could layer it onto the die. And then of course, you know, we have dies to cut out the tree, the deer, this tree, the rocks, both rocks. And then we have an extra little line one there with the deer on it. So that's going to be fun. Like I said, I just got this like shortly before I went live. I had time to open up the box and pull stuff out, and I really wasn't even going to show you. And then I thought, I cannot not show them. I have to show them. These are cute embellishments. They look like wood. They're called streaked dots. I like the color. And then there's this great Amber Autumn set, which the size of the stamps are the same size that's on the front cover. And they have a die set. I'm going to open this up because so many of our die sets now have not only the images, but they have other stuff too. So I want to see. I'll show you what this has. Sorry, I should have opened these all before I got started. All right, so this die. Oh yeah, this one's cool. Okay, so this one, you have dies to cut out the pumpkins and the leaves, and you have an extra leaf, and then you have an extra little piece of grass or whatever. I think it's like this kind of grass. But then you have this leaf background. It's cool. I'm going to be playing with this particular product suite tomorrow. I had it today on my plans, but it didn't come in time. All right, so there's the stamp sets. Here is the ribbon, which is very different. Here we go. Anyway, it's called Irregular Weave Trim, and it is very irregular. I don't know, it's kind of like, you know, like a loofah sponge. It kind of feels like that, but softer. Yeah, that's interesting. All right, so then this is the paper pack. Now the paper pack I know comes with 4 different designs, and you get extra. So I think you get 3 sheets of each. which is kind of cool. All right. And like I said, I have plans tomorrow for this. So this is sheet number 1. Look at how cool that is. That grid is awesome. I'm going to pull them out. So that, like I said, there's 4 different kinds, 3 of each in a pack. Oh, that reminds me too. I've been sending out my stuff for my paper share for the holiday mini catalog and the online exclusives, and so that's out there with my newsletter list if you're interested in the paper share. Look at how pretty this one is. I love that. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to do something fun. And then the back. Oh, that's pretty. I like the backs just as much as I like the fronts. And then this last one has all those foxes on it. Isn't that pretty? It's so, I don't know, it's just so, oh, it's pretty. And then another. So the colors that go with this are Cajun Craze, Early Espresso, Gray Granite, Mossy Meadow, Pecan Pie, and Berry Vanilla. Very fall-oriented colors. All right, let me grab. So that's a mega suite because it has, oh, and then it has this metallic paper. Sorry, that's a mega suite. So it has 2 stamp sets, 2 papers. And this one is the earthen toned metallic paper, which is part of my paper share. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh! Oh, it's gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can really see that in the light, but oh my gosh, that's beautiful. I love how deep it is. It's like a Cajun Craze deep. Pretty. That'll be fun. All right, so this one, I don't remember. I think this one was in the, I think this one was an online exclusive called Delicate Pines. Let me peek in my catalog and tell you. Like I said, I didn't get everything that was available to me, but I got a lot. Yeah, so this is one of the new online exclusives. All right, so it's these cute snowflakes, but they're actually much bigger. So this is the size of the snowflake as opposed to the size in there. So this is how big it is. Okay, and then it has all these little pieces. It has these great, so it says, warmest winter wishes, celebrate the season. It's hard to believe we're talking winter, but it's the most magical time of the year. I love that. And then the dies, look at those embellishments. They're so pretty. This one's going to be fun. It's not on my list to play with yet. I think it's too early to start thinking about snowflakes. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the die set. So you do get dies to cut out the snowflakes, the branches, the smaller snowflakes. And then you get all these dies, as you can see. See, they have a little dot in them, little circles with little dots, so that you can, it's like a wreath builder. Oh, it's going to be fun. This is going to be a fun one to play with. I can see a lot coming out of this one. And this one's kind of cool. Not only is it a snowflake, but then you could layer it. Pine cones in there, a couple pine cones, some branches, a whole bunch of dots. I don't know. It'll be interesting to see what we come up with. But wait till you guys see the paper. Now, I've only seen the paper, not in real life. I saw it online. I'll show you the embellishments because they're cute little snowflakes in cute little colors. So the colors in this paper are Cherry Cobbler, Garden Green, Old Olive, Pretty Peacock, Secret Sea, and Shaded Spruce. Oh, every color I love. Here's the Shaded Spruce ribbon with the gold trim. It's very soft. It's very pretty. I like that. All right, so let's open up the paper because wait till you see this paper. I hope it's as pretty as I thought it was when I saw it online. Oh. Look at that piece of paper. I'm going to almost not want to cut that, but I will. And then the back, how they did the back is they actually they froze water and took pictures of it. So that's kind of cool. All right, there's that one. Oh, there's There's that pretty one. So this is 6 sheets, 2 of each. I love this paper. Love this one. And then that's the back. Peacock. These colors are beautiful. So this is, like I said, this is an online exclusive. Oh, wait till you see this next one. Ah! Look at that. I love it. Oh, and that's really pretty. And the dies will cut out these snowflakes if you want them to. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, my budget was blown, but it happens. Thankfully, we get those Stampin' rewards, you know, so we get to, look at these. These would be cut out. These would be able to cut out with the dies too. Those are pretty. And then shaded spruce snowflakes. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then one more. Here's it. That's fun with the pine cones. Lots of green in this one. Is that 6 sheets? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, one more. Which one did? Oh, here it is. I missed another one. Oh, and it's a favorite. Look at how pretty that is. I love it. And then those snowflakes on the back. So that one's fun. Like I said, this is a suite that's in the online exclusives. All right. Oh, this is one I have to show you because this is a bundle. I just thought it was really cute. So it's a squirrel builder punch with this squirrel, fluffy squirrel. I don't know why, but I really felt the need that I had to have this one. So we'll see. We'll see what I come up with. And then these are some, and like I said, this one I think is in the catalog. And in the catalog, to me, it didn't look this big, but I love this font. I just think it's really cute. All right. Oh, and this was one, Gift of Joy, is just a stamp set, which I think will be a lot of fun. It's kind of a 2-step, so you can do the sock, the garland, the flowers, the ornament. It just looked like a lot of fun. So that's called the Gift of Joy. This one I loved, called Love and Courage. This is the Stampin' Up's stamp. So sometimes we have a product that we do a fundraiser for, and this one goes to, of course, cancer research. So anytime, if anybody that orders this stamp set, just $3 goes to cancer research. Yeah, Ruthann, your budget's blown. Sorry. So my plan with this one is in October, I'm going to do a class, a Love and Courage class with various cards using this stamp set. Because I'd like to see them. I like to see them sell. I love this stamp. I think that's really cool. It's just one stamp, but has those two. I love it. All right. Branching Out is one that I thought I couldn't live without. And it comes with a die set. And let me show you that. Branching Out, I think all of these are in the catalog. Let's see what the dies look like on this one. Oh yeah, this was a good one. So these have some great layering dies. And then a long garland, and then the branches and the pine cone and the berries. But I loved these dies. They're going to be popular. I just know it. So that was Branching Out. And then the last one that I got was this one called Snowy Delights. And it was another stamp set with snowflakes that I didn't think I needed. However, it is, so the snowflake's big. As you can see, it's a big one. It's got some great sentiments. So it's got sending you joy and many delights, a winter wish for snowy delights, with family and friends and long peaceful nights, a warm hello and joy to the world. So this was one that I thought, well, you know what? It doesn't have to be Christmas because winter goes on forever here. So I can justify that. But I got it because it comes with masks. And I love to play with the masks. You know, to mask off and color. I love to do that. So the masks They're numbered. So I think there's 5 of them, maybe. No, 4. So there's layering masks. So I can't wait to play with this one. That one has little hearts. Look at how cute that is. Anyway, so that's why I couldn't live without this one. I had to have it because of the masks, because that's one of my favorite techniques to do. It's very calming. Let's look at the dies so we can see what we got. Like I said, I ordered too much, but you know, I earn Stampin' Rewards too, just like you guys do. And it's always fun. A lot of this stuff was free. So, which just means I ordered a lot of stuff before. But look at the snowflake. Look at that one. All right, so this one of these cuts out this whole thing, and then it has a layer, and then it has a snowflake, and then on this side it has more snowflakes. Look how pretty they are. This is really fun. That'll be fun to do on some background papers. I love this snowflake. And then this little label, which I think is really cute. And I'll show you a way to use this label and make it longer when I actually do some cards with this. But I can see me holding off on the snowflakes at least another couple weeks. Although I did see the forecast tonight in the state of Montana, not here, but up in Glacier National Park, they have a snow warning. So it's coming. You know, summer ends kind of early here. Oh, nice hair. Anyway, that is what I got out of the holiday mini catalog. Like I said, yours will be coming in the mail. If you ordered from me last month, you'll get one in your packet next week. And if you have ordered from me in the last couple months, I will definitely send you one. And if you don't have a demonstrator and you're interested in a catalog or need a new demonstrator, just shoot me an email and I will put a catalog in the mail when I get them. So does anybody have any questions? If not, I'm going to say goodnight and let you know I will see you either next Wednesday or Friday. I have to look at my calendar. I just know I can't do it next Thursday. So that would be it. So if you haven't already done so, you want to sign up for my newsletter. If there's anything, if you ever have any questions or anything, don't hesitate. Just send me an email or give me a phone call. I'm more than happy to help you out and answer your questions. So everybody have a great night. Thank you. And I will speak with you soon. Bye-bye.